In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Figure, a platform that aims to make visual storytelling accessible and intuitive for everyone. Whether you're a designer, storyteller, or content creator, Figure offers a suite of tools to help bring your ideas to life in a visually compelling way. As soon as you sign up for Figure, you're greeted with a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. The platform is web-based, so you can start creating right away without needing to download any software. Once you're in, you'll notice the range of templates available to kickstart your project. These templates are designed to help you quickly get started, whether you're working on an interactive presentation, a dynamic website, or a multimedia project. One of the standout features of Figure is its drag-and-drop editor. It allows you to easily place elements on your canvas, arrange them, and adjust properties with just a few clicks. The interface is streamlined, with most tools and options easily accessible, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience for both beginners and seasoned creators. Many useful links can be found in the description below to guide you through additional resources related to Figure. As you explore the platform further, you'll find an impressive library of design elements, including customizable shapes, text styles, and interactive components. This makes it easier to create dynamic content without needing to have advanced technical skills. Plus, the platform is constantly updated with new features and improvements, which adds to its versatility and appeal. Another key aspect of Figure is its collaboration functionality. You can easily invite team members to work on the same project in real time, making it ideal for group projects or teams that need to collaborate across different locations. Whether you're creating a marketing presentation or developing a visual story, this feature allows for seamless teamwork and communication. The platform also offers a variety of export options, so once your project is ready, you can share it easily or download it in different formats for use in other applications. Whether you're exporting a video, image, or interactive file, Figure ensures your content is ready for any platform. In terms of pricing, Figure offers a free version with basic features, which is perfect for getting started. If you need more advanced functionality or additional design assets, there are paid tiers available that unlock more features and content. To summarize, Figure is a powerful platform that combines simplicity with advanced design capabilities, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. It's perfect for anyone looking to create interactive, visual stories with ease. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more reviews and tips on creative tools like Figure. Thanks for watching.